Hi everyone, I'm Sarah and I'm all about living a healthy and happy lifestyle. I started the day off at the gym as I always do. I am an early bird and I always love to work out first thing in the morning, but do whatever feels right for your body. Whether that's drinking water, reading or going for a walk, the way you start your day matters. So without further ado, enjoy the vlog and please subscribe. Good morning guys, I hope you're all having an amazing day. It's sunny, it's beautiful outside, and I'm taking you through everything I'm going to eat today. Doing content, somewhat studying, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, let's go make breakfast. I just hit the gym, did a pool day, and now I have an hour and 45 to make breakfast, make a recipe for Instagram, get ready and leave the house to go meet my friends. So let's do this. Guys, we're keeping it simple today. We are just having a buttered bagel and a Misfits cookies and cream bar. This is just perfect. Now, what we're gonna do is I need to do a really quick recipe for my Instagram because my food posts, like, you guys love them. Also, thank you for all the love on my last video. It was like the most views I had like this month and it made me really happy. So yeah, it's exciting to have new people joining and commenting and showing love because it means so much. But anyways, we are gonna turn oats into some healthy and delicious breakfast cookies. Now, I've done this recipe before, so I know it's good. So let's do this. Also, you guys are gonna have some fun vlogs coming because tomorrow I have a sleepover with my best friends, and I haven't had a sleepover since I was like 15, so that's gonna be fun. And we have to bring our own pillows and everything, so stay tuned for the next vlog if you want to see that. And then next month I fly to Bali, so holiday vlogs, here we go. I don't know about you guys, but when I find a recipe I'm obsessed with, I make it all the time. And these breakfast cookies are essential. You've got to try them, so comment below if you do. I love going out to buy like cookies and pastries, but I also love making them at home. So if you can, why not give it a go? These take less than 10 minutes and you won't be disappointed. Oh. Okay, so this is the drop.
Jesus, you flung that on me.
And this is the setup we have going on. And as you can see, this is the gorgeous view. Going for coffee now, outfit one done, full day of shooting with this one, and anyone?
It's so nice, I've never been here before properly, and
Yes.
Sasha's showing me all around. It's such a perfect day for doing this.
Yes, oh, we're in Notting Hill by the way, I don't know if I mentioned that this morning. So it's literally the most beautiful aesthetic place to film. So I brought her one of the cookies that I made.
It's so cute. It's so cute. I can't wait to try it. So what's in this?
So this is a oat cookie with chocolate, pumpkin seeds, maple syrup, coconut oil.
Oh.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh my god. What? I won't order the
Yeah, you don't
order
need
the
it.
cinnamon thing anymore. Breakfast.
Is it good cold?
It is.
Is it good?
It's soft as well.
Does it kind of taste like popcorn to you? Yes. It's the
oat
pumpkin
texture as well almost makes it taste like
popcorn.
that too.
Yeah, because when you roast pumpkin seeds, they taste like popcorn. Yeah.
Nice.
10 out of 10.
I love it. Oh my god. Get my throat. It's making me cry.
Cheers.
Yum.
Okay, we're in the second location, wearing ginger bees this time. And how cute is this little like wall? So we were just wandering around and we found this really lovely place. And yeah, so let's do this. Outfit?
Yeah, that's nice. The back, you've not done any of that yet.
We are having acai bowls.
Yeah.
I don't know what this place is called, but it's amazing.
We'll find it out.
And
And I'm sure Saz will put it right here.
yeah, I will. Thanks for adding work for me. So yeah, we're just eating right now, and it's so good.
It's such a nice combo because there's banana, hemp seeds, blueberries, peanut butter all in it, and granola as well. And I feel like this is the perfect kick that we need after Easter because I've eaten so much chocolate and I've loved it. Keep going with that and see where I get.
Final location, here we go.
It's so
Now I had half of the cookie again. So I had 1.5 cookies today, had the acai bowl. Now I'm eating a little bowl of tuna and cooking some chicken korma curry for dinner. Okay guys, dinner time. We've got korma curry right here, and I did some homemade chips in my air fryer with some mayonnaise. Feeling a bit of a mixture today, which is why I'm having both, so why not? I'm gonna eat dinner, watch Dirty Dancing on Netflix, and then get a rest for the night because tomorrow I have another super duper busy day. But thanks for joining me on this vlog. Good night guys.